So I have the Limitless Lash set. It comes with the pre-cut segmented lashes, the application tweezers, the bond, the sealant, and the remover. So everything that you need to make sure that you have the perfect DIY lash extensions at home. So this lash is 14 millimeters and they are pre-cut. So all we have to do is stick them with a little bit of glue underneath our lashes. So let's get started. So I'm gonna go in with the Glam Girl Beauty Bond. This is gonna help glue my lash extensions to my natural lash. So it comes with a little, almost mascara wand applicator, and you start at the root and put it on just like you would mascara. It's super easy. All right, next up, I'm gonna grab my lash applicator and the first lash on the fan and go right underneath my natural lashes. Wow, that just latched on so well. Let's do another. All right, so I always start on the outer corner. Let's grab another. What? That was it? You guys, this is the easiest lash application, hands down, I've ever done. And I've worn DIY lash extensions for over a year, well over a year. Hold on, I'll be right back. All right, middle lash. I'm literally speechless. I'm actually speechless about how easy this is. You do not have to be a professional lash applier to be able to do this. I mean, this is actually my first time trying these. Kendall, if you're watching, I'm shocked. I mean, I just did this in real time. That took me to apply them less than a minute. Kendall, what is this magic? Okay, so the lashes come with 5 individual clusters. I just have 4 on. My eyes tend to be a little smaller, so I can only fit 4, which is nice because if, God forbid, one falls off, then I have an extra. So I only have 4 lashes on right now. I am shook. That was so easy. These are so beautiful. Okay, so I've let them dry for a couple minutes and now I'm gonna go in with the Glam Girl Beauty Sealant. This is going to seal in the glue, the bond, and make my lashes last so much longer. I absolutely love that it has this tiny little applicator on the top to make it really easy to get into your lashes. So the key to this is to not use too much sealant. And this is gonna help them seal and last. All right, now let's grab our applicator. Again, this is probably the most important part. Turn them upside down, go in and squeeze your lashes. Right at the root. And literally